This episode is brought to you by Paperlike.
A small house is similar to a boat. Ever since I was a child, I have longed to live in a camper or on a ship. Ships are designed to live comfortably in a small space. The actual fastening devices used are the same as those used on a sailboat. My name is Zajirogh, and I am an artist and architect. I live in this house with my wife and 3 children.
Paperlike is a screen protector that helps you write and draw on your iPad like on paper. We recently installed the latest Paperlike 2.1 on our iPads and were really impressed by how much it feels like you're writing on paper. From note-taking to marking up floor plans and the occasional doodle, Paperlike just makes using the pencil on the iPad much more precise and enjoyable. As a bonus, the matte finish helps to reduce glare when we need to photograph the iPad. Paperlike 2.1 has the same papery feel and stroke resistance as the previous version, but now has better visibility and clarity. This is made possible through an expert-backed development process, manufactured in Switzerland with new composite materials and better distribution of the nanodots. So, if you want to write and draw on your iPad with a papery feel and protect your screen at the same time, then visit the Paperlike link below. Thanks, Paperlike.
The house is located in Zenpukuji, Tokyo. This place is located where there are many manga artists and artists. The neighborhood is residential. I want to make the house appear so simple white box. When child imagined the house, it looks like pentagon shape, so that's how I want it. Our family loved to camp outdoors, so we wanted a house where we could live under blue sky. New houses in this area are required to comply with strict size regulations. In order to get around this restriction, I decided not to have a roof over the living room and turn that part of the house into a courtyard. On the lower floor, inside the sliding glass door is the kitchen, bathroom, and toilet. A staircase leads up to the upper floor, which contains study, bedroom, and balconies. Japanese entrances are generally small and always get crowded when everybody's living at once. So we combine the entrance with the living room, so when you enter the house, you are in a large open area. A small line on the ground separates the entrance from the living room. There is a drainage along the edge for the rain. By the entrance, storage holds coats, shoes, and other items. We also have storage behind the steel door to hide items we don't want to show, like vacuum cleaners or cleaning items. The living room has located just inside the front door and has no roof. The floor is concrete, which is great for both indoor and outdoor use. I wanted the walls to be lined with fun colors. The living room also has a large glass door to protect my TV and piano from the weather. Beside the piano and TV, there is a storage for household items. I prefer to have my things lined up on the walls because they are more interesting to me. We choose our furniture from camping goods, so you can move it quick and it's okay with the rain when it's wet. Things that we don't want to get wet, we put it on the side. In the summer with the top on, the cool air from the air conditioners keeps living room cool. The living room gets cold in winter, so we added heated floors in this area. It uses hot water to heat the ground and it feels great on the barefoot. The dining room and kitchen are indoors with a large sliding glass doors that open to create a unique space with the living room. The kitchen is L-shaped with a ceramic top. On one side, there is a stainless steel sink, a gas cooktop, a stainless steel range hood, and a fish grill. On the other side, there's lots of open storage for kitchen items and lots of space to prepare meals. We added yellow doors to hide away less attractive items. We also used the space under the stairs. In the center of the kitchen, there's a large dining table which is needed for a family of 5. We added 3 pendant lights above, which can be turned on individually with switches on the cord. To save table space, we hang our Bluetooth speakers above the table. This speaker outputs the audio from the TV on the other side of the living room. The bathroom is on the lower floor on the other side of the kitchen. With the 5 people using the bathroom in the mornings, it makes sense to have the vanity separate from the bathroom so we can all use them at once. The toilet was positioned under the stairs to maximize space. The laundry room has washer and separate dryer above. This room serves multiple purposes. It's a place to wash clothes, a place to store clothes, and also we can change after you take a bath. The bathroom is typical of Japanese wet rooms. There is a space to sit or stand for a shower and also a bathtub. The bathtub faces the courtyard with a window that looks out to the entrance and living rooms. When the weather is nice, the sun comes from the open roof into the bathtub. If privacy is needed, there is a curtain that can be used. At the end of the stairs on the upper floor, there is another toilet. Even though the house is small, we needed to have 2 toilets for 5 persons. The upper floor toilet has custom door that also doubles as the door to the upper floor. There is a small office and entertainment area where my wife works during the day. And the children watch TV and play Switch when they finish school. In the corner of this space, there is a small study for me. It is only about 1 square meter. I fill it with shelves and desks, and it is my little sanctuary where I draw and create. In the evenings, my wife and I lay futon here, and this becomes our bedroom. It may be a bit strange for people outside of Japan, but sleeping on futon on the floor is very common in Japan. It allows us to have rooms that provide multiple functions. The kids' bedroom is on the other side of the upper floor. They sleep in the loft above and share a large desk. The large windows bring lots of natural light into the study and bedroom rooms. We added a lot of storage for books, toys, and household items, maximizing wall space and height. The bookshelf in the bedroom becomes the stairs for the kids to climb up onto the loft. There are 3 windows here, and in the future we will divide this space into 3 separate rooms, so the children have a bit more privacy. From the kids' bedroom, there is access to some storage above the study. There is access to a balcony that wraps around the open roof. We added the same glass storage from the entrance up here for our clothes. I even set up a small desk on the balcony so I have place to paint and not worry if I make a mess. This is also where we can open and close the roof. The neighborhood is residential. It is a great place for a family, with a large park, schools, and shops within walking distance. To being my own client, I can do anything, like no roof, so that was cool. So now I have this example so that I can show to other clients.
Thanks for watching, and if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.